This month, we're highlighting a couple of very usable tips for posted checks, ACHs, or electronic payments. Let's start with printing a paper check after the check is posted. Find it in the check register, and in the Action menu, choose the Print Check option. This brings you to the familiar processing queue window. From here, you can print or reprint a check. Payroll check type stubs can also be emailed from here. Notice that you're not able to change the check number from here. That brings us to our next tip. Let's say you posted a check with the wrong check number, or you need to make some date or check number corrections to a batch of posted checks, ACHs, or electronic payments. Use the Modify action to change anything about the header. That's it for this month's tips. Learn more about what we covered this month in the knowledge base.